We have 6 plus 3 divided by 3 and second bracket 4 divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, 6 plus 3 equals 9 and divided by 3 equals 3, and 4 divided by 2 equals 2 and plus 1 equals 3. Now 3 and 3. Here is multiply. 3 times 3 equals 9. But this is wrong, because if you try to do addition first, which is not the correct rule, so follow the order of operations who use PEMDAS rule. So division first, then addition. So 6 plus 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 4 divided by 2 equals 2 plus 1. Now 6 plus 1 equals 7, and 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now here is multiply. So 7 times 3 times 7 equals 21.